Welcome to the channel Easy Trick for the computer science students and as well as those students who learn something new in the computer science and engineering field. So that particular part is the data science ethics part number 2. The previous part link available into the description box. So those students who don't see the previous part kindly see the first part and after that you will enter into that particular second part. So in the second part we will touch in the part that how data is collected into the data ethics because of no more reflected your security prevent under the different privileges. So data collection is so important aspect in the data sciences because data collected everywhere into the social sites. So your data is perfection under the tool of data sciences is better than the analysis. Data collection is actually a gathering raw information from the source, while data analysis is the process of cleaning, interpreting, and transferring the data into the meaningful insights and knowledge to support decisions, solve your problems, or prediction outcomes from the websites, forming a crucial sequential process into the research or collections different type of part. So what is the purpose of the data collection? That is the qualitative data or also the quantitative data and also from the different sources, the primary sources and from the secondary sources like surveys, interviews, observations, sensors, these particular things. And when the data analyzed under the data ethics, that is examining, cleaning, transforming, interpreting pattern, insights and other parts of tools like we will use the backend method of the coding is Python, RPython, SPSS, Excel, chart diagrams, holograms. So many things are there. So there are so many way to collect the data from this particular analyzing and data sciences. So data sciences said that when the data ethics collect the data from another particular source, this is the perfection of your prevention the data from the extracting information from large set of data which typically combines elements of stats means when the data enter into the valuable information and knowledge provide information that is the good, but it is in the artificial intelligence or in the machine learning to guide decision or recommendation the products. So data sciences study extract the meaningful data from another part and helpful for the decision making. For example, let's consider from some OTT application that recommended the relevant content for you. How it is possible? Do you ever think how it is possible? So the answer is that they are collecting your data on what type of content you are watching. So many times when you repetitive watching the same particular web series and type like action series like horror series or another part that is based on this data they will recommended the relevant content. So data collection is so many large amount of the data into the websites, but it's your own decidable material what you watch on that particular type, what subtype like action movies or horror movies or funny movies or political movies, political news, whatever your perfection or your hobby or your interest. That is the relevant content goes to the backend with the different coding parts and with the algorithms encrypted at the backend. They prevent to from that particular data and recommended the relevant content for you. This is the policy of the data ethics under the data science. So the importance of the ethical data use is the data scientists are the actually the heart of the data. They hold the data that can make powerful decision and shape the future of the good data. Because data science analyzing said that when you will enter into the any particular website or predictive model or algorithms or machine learning and artificial intelligence with the big data analysis, that particular thing said that what will happen next. Data analytics interprets historical data for the trends, what happened and why it is happened, using tools like MS Excel, Tableau, and providing uh, analytical border fields when you will enter into the prediction, innovation, or discovery focus on the different part, and the tools used for the SQL, structured query language, R language, Python language, Spark language. So many languages are there. Scope said that science is a broad term, analytics is a component term. So data sciences are the heart of the data. They hold the data. The data is more valuable than anything. Or maintaining ethically standards not an obligation, but it is a fundamental aspect of data scientist, ensuring the responsible of the data usage, and ethical data usage is the main block of the trust that they don't reveal the data to the third party. When individually provides their data to the organization or the social media platforms, they accept to it to maintain with integrity and the basic ethics to prevent their data from the intruders. So respecting their privacy is the most important part, as it will increase the organization reputation, because of the some data don't reveal over the particular country wise data. Means country data is the very powerful, and the security data when they reveal to the others, there are so many cyber laws available. The cyber law link is also available to the description box, kindly check it out. So these particular techniques are the importance of the ethical data usage. So this is the next part of the data ethics. Hope so that information will be very helpful to all of you. If you feel that the information is very helpful to all of you, kindly share the channel with the others to give the good relevant information about the data collection and how to secure your data from the intruders without unwanted data. So this is the next part will be uploaded very soon in this particular channel, and if you have any query, kindly comment into the comment box. Till then, take care. Thank you.